Hi, welcome to Moose's Workshop. Today we're going to start on making the skirting for around the benchwork. But before we do that, as you can see, we need to have a major cleanup. Just got all the main rail dual line put in and working properly. So we're going to clean up and then we'll come back. So here's the before. And here is the after. Everything's cleaned up. The skirts are made and installed. We even have a new curtain that shows our Starry Night motif. Now it's 4 foot, 4 foot, 1 foot, 1 foot, 4 foot, 4 foot by 32 long. Velcro on the back side of this, and then Velcro on the fabric as well, so I can take them on and off as needed. I have a split in the middle so I can get the stuff as needed. That part is plywood, like I mentioned. There'll be our Starry Night logo there eventually. But at night with the outside lights, you'll see the stars shining through there. That'd be kind of cool. But we got a lot cleaned up. We got a perfectly working track all the way around. Now we just have all the branch lines. And that will be in our next thing. But the skirting, it really makes it look complete. I like it. I want to thank again Teresa for helping make all this stuff. On our Facebook page of Moose's Workshop, we'll have a link, or you can contact us to get a hold of her for commissions for doing this kind of stuff. She's really good at it. And that's about it. Thank you for tuning in.